Hi everyone. I want to tell you about this cute little Sharp brand bedside alarm clock. I really find it very handy and convenient, just the right size. Doesn't take up a lot of room on my nightstand. You can see it's quite small, not even as, barely the length of the fingers on my hand right there. And it works just great. I've been using it for some months now, and I've been very pleased with it. I like that the lettering is in red because that is much less offensive at night. It's much less likely to disturb you when you wake up at night when the letters are red. And also it has a dimmer switch so you can dim it down even more. Or you can have it back up to the brighter color. So I like that feature. I also like that all the buttons are right here on the front, and it's really clear and easy to see where you can set the time, the alarm with the hour and the minutes, and set it for on and set your alarm for either on or off. Another feature that I like is that it has a battery compartment on the back, and the battery prevents it from failing to work during a power outage. So whenever the electricity goes off, I don't come home to a clock that is no longer set at the correct time or flashing. The battery just immediately takes over as soon as the electricity stops. So it makes it a lot more reliable, and I also like that feature as well. So if you're looking for an easy to use alarm clock that is both convenient, small size, red lettering, and with a battery backup, I think this is a great one to get. So you might want to give it a try. Thanks a lot for letting me share.